When you are old and gray and you look back on your life, will you be happy with what you see? First and foremost, you should design the life you want because your greatest life cannot happen by accident. Taking control of your life and going after the things that are really important to you can help you not only achieve your dreams, but to live the life you want to live. When you make the decision to design your life, you have to understand what it is that makes you truly happy. When you get in touch with your strengths, your gifts, and what brings you joy and energizes you, you can use this knowledge to put yourself on a path towards something better within all aspects of your life. Life design allows you to appreciate failures and mistakes as learning opportunities. When you design your own life, you learn that all the missteps and obstacles that you face in life are not setbacks or failures, but are instead opportunities to learn and grow. You can find a fulfilling career. Designing your own life means that you don't have to be stuck in your current job, but instead reach for new aspirations at any point in your existence. The design process teaches you to imagine many different futures that can fulfill you and make you whole. Life design allows you to learn to navigate the biggest decision points in your life with ease. Designing your life teaches you to assess, make evaluations, envision multiple outcomes, and select among many different choices. These are all essential life skills when it comes to not only designing your life, but also making tough decisions along the way. The life design process is a freeing experience filled with choices and options. You can imagine multiple futures for yourself, then decide which to pursue. This gives you a sense of control, personal responsibility, and autonomy, which furthers your personal development and growth. As the sun rises and sets on each day of your life, make sure it is the life that you want to live and reap all the benefits that design has to offer.